Hello guys, so today I will show you how I teach Ivan every single rhyme, song, lullaby, everything. I'm trying to teach Ivan Tagalog song, Bahay Kubo. I just learned that song because I wanted to teach Ivan that song. I wanted him to learn Filipino language as well. So I am singing that song and other songs as well in English so he can learn both language and Hindi as well. So I will show you how I teach him, and it will be our musty time, our fun time. Musty means fun, guys. So it will be our fun time. And if you want to know what do I teach Ivan aside from that song, you can tell me. I will make another video on that as well. So many guys are asking me that when will I go to Australia. So probably I will go to Australia in December, probably, because I am still preparing for my license exam, and then I will need to give PTE, English language exam. Then I will apply for my visa, and then we will see when it comes. So according to my calculation, I will go Australia around December. So it's not going to happen anytime soon. I'm still in India. If you want to see me and Hate together, you can tell Hate that please Hate go somewhere like Bali, Switzerland, Paris with Jano in between, like in July or anytime soon. So you guys can see us together. You tell him, okay? Make comment box full of that sentence, okay? Please, I request you, because he's not listening to me. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye. Here we go guys, again pizza. We are a pizza family. Actually, we are not pizza family. Pizza family.
We are not Patel family. We are
Pizza family. And pizza cannot eaten without Coke.
Coca-Cola. Coke means.
Okay. Coca-Cola, okay, soft drink. And here is our little. Hi, Ivan. You want to eat pizza? Ivan? You want to eat pizza? He can understand. 1, 2, 3, start. Bahay kubo kahit munti, ang halaman dun ay sari-sari, singkamas et talang, sigarilyas ay mani, sitaw, bataw, patani, kundol, patola, apon kalabasa, at saka mayroon pang labanos, mustasa. Wait guys, wait, I'm singing. Sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya, sa paligid ay puno ang lingga. Bahay kubo kasit munti, ang halaman dun ay sari-sari. See guys, I'm teaching Ivan Tagalog song. We are teaching Tagalog. Hi guys. We are learning Tagalog. Wait, baby. Okay? Now we will put it here. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. We will teach another song but in English. Okay, Ivan? You will learn it. Try to do it. Okay? One finger, turn into worm. Pick. Two finger, turn into bunny. Two finger, turn into bunny. Hop. three finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn into cat. Meow, meow, meow. Four finger, turn, turn, turn. You are very naughty boy. You will not let me do this, right? See, even here we are recording. Four finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn into butterfly. Fly, fly, fly. Five finger, turn, turn, turn. Turn into lion. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. See guys, I'm trying to teach Ivan everything so he can learn English, Tagalog, Gujarati. હવે બીજું શું આવડે? ઇવન આપણને બીજું શું આવડે? What do you learn? આહા ટમાટર બડે મજેદાર. હા ટમાટર બડે મજેદાર. આહા ટમાટર બડે મજેદાર. हाँ टमाटर बड़े मजेदार. एक दिन उसको चींटी ने खाया, हाथी को बीमार भगाया. एक दिन उसको चींटी ने खाया, हाथी को बीमार भगाया. हाँ टमाटर बड़े मजेदार. हाँ टमाटर बड़े मजेदार. What do you want, Ivan? What do you want? You cannot take iPhone, iPad, nothing. You are not allowed to watch anything on phone, okay? Yes, you need to do so many activities and be active, okay? Guys, tell Ivan he cannot watch iPad. We need to be cricketer, athlete, astronaut, okay Ivan? Okay, he said yes to astronaut. He will become astronaut, rocket. Hey. Hi, say hi to everyone. Hi guys, I will become astronaut. Yes, my baby will become astronaut. Hey, hi guys. What do you like the most, Bahai Kubo or one finger? Bahai Kubo. Oh, Bapre. He likes Bahai Kubo more. Okay, we will sing Bahai Kubo from now on, okay? How do you do it? Bahai. No, not like that, you. Like this. Bahai Kubo kahit munti. Hey, you one finger, tap, tap, tap. Two finger, cut, cut, cut. Three finger, grab, grab, grab. Four finger, cross, cross, cross. Five finger, bye, bye, bye. See you guys. Ivan likes this so much, right Ivan? I sing this to Ivan every day. Minimum 5 to 6 times a day. Right Ivan? You will learn this song first, okay? It's your favorite song, right? As you guys can see, he didn't take bath yet. So he will take bath after 2 hours because it's so cold in here. So he will catch cold. That's why we don't give him bath very early. But he wake up very early, guys, at 7 o'clock. And I wake up at 9 o'clock. So basically he is very active than me. Right Ivan? Ivan, talk with them, baby. Talk with them first. Then we will play, okay? Oh, see? Do you guys see that? He is scratching his ear. Means he is sleepy now. Whenever he scratch his ear, he is sleepy. It's his sign that now I will sleep. Do not disturb me and put me sleep as soon as possible. Right, Ivan? And guys, I'm not pregnant. Stop commenting that why are you pregnant even though your husband is so far. No guys, I'm not pregnant. Okay, I will not have kids anytime soon. Okay, I'm still 23. Just no, I will turn 24, right? I will turn 24 next month. So I'm still a little baby like my baby Ivan. I'm still little like my baby Ivan. Right? You don't need any cousin right now. He is our single child and he will be our single child for so many years. Right, baby? He is my baby. This is my baby. This is my baby. This is my baby. My cute little baby. Right, my baby? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now guys, he wants to play now. He is not sitting properly because he wants to play now eagerly. He is very active kid, as I said. He cannot sit quietly. He needs to do something and something. Okay, so we will take your leave now. Bye bye guys. Mwah! I love you. Stay tuned. See you in next vlog. How do you say I love you? I love you. I love you. You are learning very fast, baby. Okay, chalo, bye bye guys. See you.